how to create gate.io account. So if you want to create gate.io account, then first you need to open up gate.io application. Make sure to install it from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you install, it will take you to this kind of interface where you can simply go with the upper left, which has that profile option, and tap on login or sign up. So tap on it to create your account. So from here, you can simply tap on sign up for free and it will take you to create an account page. Now here you need to enter the email or the phone number that you would like to use to create your account. So once you enter the email, now create your password. Once you created your password, you need to choose your country or region of residence and then accept the user agreement and tap on sign up. And once you tap on sign up, it will ask you to complete the puzzle. So just complete the puzzle and enter the code that you've received on your mail address. So just wait for a few seconds and you will receive the code. So just open up your mail and select the Google account and then tap on email verification under Gate.io. Here you need to copy the code, or you can also go with the register email verification link that you have on your mail, or just simply enter the code right here. Tap on confirm and you've successfully registered. Now you just need to simply go with verify now and you need to complete your identity verification. You can also skip this part for now. If you don't want to verify, you can simply tap on verify later and then skip this part also. And that's it. You've created your account. So that's how you can create gate.io account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.